Honest AI software reviews, affiliate marketing tools, and AI updates. Today we are reviewing AI Cash Clone, an AI Instagram marketing system that focuses on creating a faceless AI person to promote affiliate products online. This is not a normal blogging tool. This is not just another AI writing software. AI Cash Clone is mainly built around one interesting idea. Create an AI-generated person, use that AI person on Instagram, post content without showing your own face, and promote affiliate products through organic traffic. That is why AI Cash Clone is getting attention in 2026. Many people want to start an online income, but they do not want to appear on camera. They do not want to record videos. They do not want to become a public influencer. AI Cash Clone tries to solve that problem by teaching a faceless Instagram marketing method using AI. The basic idea is simple. You create an AI person with a face, name, and social media identity. Then you use that AI person to publish Instagram content. Over time, the page can attract followers, build engagement, and send traffic to affiliate offers. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you may earn a commission. So instead of becoming the influencer yourself, the AI person becomes the front-facing brand. This is why the system is interesting for people who are camera shy, privacy-focused, or completely new to online marketing. Now, how does AI Cash Clone actually work? The system mainly follows 3 steps. First, you choose an affiliate product. This could be from marketplaces like JVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore24, BuyGoods, Amazon, or other affiliate networks. The goal is to choose a product that matches the niche of your AI Instagram page. Second, you create your AI person. This AI person can have a face, name, personality, and niche identity. For example, it could be a fitness personality, lifestyle influencer, motivation account, tech profile, beauty page, or business-focused AI character. Third, you post content on Instagram and promote relevant products naturally. The content may include captions, images, short posts, product-related posts, and engagement-style content. The goal is to grow the Instagram page and drive traffic without using paid ads at the beginning. This is why AI Cash Clone is different from many other affiliate marketing products. It is not mainly about building a website. It is not mainly about writing long blog posts. It is mainly about faceless Instagram marketing with AI-generated social media personalities. Now, let's talk about what is included inside AI Cash Clone. One important part is AI influencer setup training. This helps users understand how to create an AI-style person for Instagram. Another part is content support. Beginners often struggle with what to post. AI Cash Clone reportedly includes content ideas, captions, templates, and posting guidance to make the process easier. Another important part is affiliate marketing guidance. The system explains how to choose products, place links, and connect Instagram traffic with affiliate offers. There may also be beginner-friendly video tutorials and bonuses, depending on the current offer. At the time of my review, the front-end price is promoted as a low one-time price, but like many JVZoo launches, there may be optional upgrades after the first purchase. So my suggestion is simple. Beginners should understand the basic version first before buying every upgrade. Now, let's discuss who AI Cash Clone is suitable for. AI Cash Clone may be suitable for beginners who want to start affiliate marketing. It may be useful for people who like Instagram. It may be useful for people who do not want to show their faces. It may help people interested in AI influencers, faceless content, and organic social media traffic. It may also be useful for affiliate marketers who want another traffic method besides blogging, YouTube, or paid ads. But AI Cash Clone is not suitable for everyone. If you hate social media, this may not be the best option. If you do not want to post content consistently, this may not work well. If you expect instant passive income, you may be disappointed. If you want guaranteed earnings, You should avoid that mindset. Now let's look at the advantages. The biggest advantage is that you do not need to show your face. This is very helpful for beginners who feel shy or uncomfortable on camera. Another advantage is the low startup cost compared to expensive coaching programs. Another advantage is the organic traffic focus. You can start without spending money on ads, although growth may take time. Another advantage is that AI and faceless content are trending. AI-generated personalities, faceless pages, and short-form content are becoming more popular across social platforms. AI Cash Clone connects these trends with affiliate marketing. Now, let's be honest about the limitations. AI Cash Clone is not a magic button. It will not make everyone money automatically. Instagram growth takes consistency, affiliate marketing takes testing, content quality matters, niche selection matters, audience trust matters. Also, the strategy depends heavily on Instagram. If Instagram changes its algorithm or restricts certain AI content styles, results may be affected. Another point is that AI-generated content should always be reviewed before posting. You should not blindly publish anything without checking quality, accuracy, and platform rules. So, is AI Cash Clone legit or a scam? Based on the strategy, AI Cash Clone appears to be based on a real business model: faceless Instagram content, AI-generated influencer style branding, affiliate product promotion, organic traffic. This business model can work, but that does not mean everyone will succeed. The real result depends on your action, patience, content consistency, offer selection, and marketing skills. So my final opinion is this: AI Cash Clone is interesting if you want to explore faceless Instagram affiliate marketing using AI. It may be a good fit for beginners who do not want to appear on camera and want to try AI-powered social media marketing. But buy it with realistic expectations. Do not expect overnight income. Treat it as training and a system that you need to follow, test, and improve. If you want my full written AI Cash Clone review with details, pros and cons, pricing notes, and access information, visit my full review on PB Review. The link is in the video description. Read the full review first, then decide whether AI Cash Clone is right for you. Subscribe for more honest AI software reviews, affiliate marketing tools, and online business updates. Thanks for watching.